2000 में इंटरनेट पर एक रहस्यमय तस्वीर सामने आई जिस पर लिखा था, हम अत्यंत बुद्धिमान व्यक्तियों की तलाश कर रहे हैं। Hidden inside were secret codes and puzzles that led to real-world locations across different countries, QR codes, payphones, and hidden messages. People who solved everything were warned to never speak of it again. No one knows who created Cicada 3301, hackers, governments, or something stranger. Some believe it's still recruiting the next genius. Would you try to solve it?